A warm welcome to you for this brief introduction to the training to be offered on the 20th of April. The title of the training you have noticed is Stress Management and Beyond. Particularly if you are a software engineer, you will know that when there is a problem with the performance of the computer, there is some snag somewhere. It's an opportunity for you to look back into what is going on in the computer. If the snag is not found on time, it could create havoc once you have delivered the software to your client. So you have even a full-fledged department to find the faults within the programs that you are writing. Imagine you have a supercomputer called the brain, and there is some stress somewhere, and my question is, why don't you look at this stress as a call to you to pay attention to what is happening inside? But for the stress, you wouldn't have noticed the snag inside. So unlike most trainings that look at stress as a problem, and then they go into the cause of the problem, and then they label the problem into various kinds and all that stuff, we look at stress as a wonderful opportunity given to you to take a deep look into what is happening inside our brain. And very interestingly, this brain got programmed by non-professionals, people who were around you when you were born. You looked at them and you observed the way they run their brain and programmed yourself. Now that you are grown up, you are a professional, you are welcome for a wonderful opportunity to take a deeper look at the program that you have done when you were a baby. Maybe it is time to upgrade the program. And this training will be based on neuro-linguistic programming, a very modern psychological science which helps people to easily reprogram themselves. It's so easy that I could teach this to thousands and thousands of illiterate poor people in villages, and they had achieved amazing results. The first ever corporate that was registered by totally illiterate people in India under the act which was specially made for the poor people belongs to the group which I had trained. Today they are running a business with an investment of more than 10 crore rupees. And the International Labour Organization invited me to write a training manual for poor people around the globe. So you can be rest assured that the training you have is of international standards. It is something that can make it very simple for you and enjoyable. And one last word about that last word in the title, beyond. It's not just solving the stress that you are going through, and as I said, it's an opportunity to develop much further ahead. So you could plan for a brilliant future. If not tomorrow, in another 3 to 5 years, you could achieve whatever you would love to achieve. So there will be a lot of space for you to think through your future, and there will be also inputs from eminent people who have achieved something in their lives or have some very important message for you. How to protect yourself from future stress with proper kind of investments, with proper kind of entrepreneurship, and such things are there. So it's going to be a very exciting and very fruitful time that you will be spending on the 20th. Most welcome for more things. Welcome to come and see. Thank you.